Hi, my name is Daisy. Today we are going to be doing Oonies.
And hi, I am Daisy's mom.
She's a guest.
I am Daisy's guest today. We bought this special project and we wanted to give it a try and see if it is age appropriate for a 5-year-old. It says 5+. Since Daisy is almost, how old? How old are you?
6.
Almost 6.
Oh, 6.
We decided that this might be a good toy to try out. Okay, now we can just slide it out.
Hey, there's something inside of here.
Is that empty?
Yeah. It's a construction.
What is this?
Construction.
Construction?
Construction.
Construction?
And I'm going to be
Or
putting it.
instruction?
Construction.
Now let's see what we've got. What is this? This is a base.
Yeah, that's the base for like
Some sort of base according to
the
the
base,
picture
like for
here.
this, like
Right here. Ooh, what are all these working? Colors. What colors did we get?
We got
have 2
yellow, blue,
2 packs
red,
of purple, 2 packs of red.
orange, and blue.
These are the same thing.
Hey, turquoise.
What is this? They're different shapes.
Okay.
Okay. Alrighty, and what are these? These are,
What's
I don't
this?
know what these are, but we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Oh, Buki,
You
want to
know
touch
what?
it? Touch it. Huh? Sticky?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you're supposed to stick on.
Wait, and what are these?
Those are like to like keep them on.
Okay, so let's show.
There's confetti in here.
Ready? No, you have to push on this one down and press on it until it clicks. Did it click?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is something.
Just like on the picture,
Hmm?
there's an unlock and there's a lock position right here.
Yeah.
So we need to, I'm assuming we'll have to turn it to the lock position, but let's see first. Place the locking lever, that's the orange one, into the down position. So push it down.
Can't push down. You can do
So
it.
hard. We locked it in, good. Stop inflating when this desired size is reached, you see?
Oh, this is how you pump it.
Ooh, okay, you're supposed to go further than that. Yay! Good job!
I'm gonna make it full.
Lift it up.
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
Wait. And remove it from the inflator.
I want to remove it from the later. Yeah.
Good job. And then what happens? Wait.
Open it up.
Open the Oonies chamber and carefully remove your Oonie.
Oh.
That's it?
No.
That's how easy it was?
It's a balloon.
Show it to everybody so they can see how big it is. So
It's very
let's see how it was now.
I'm
Here.
gonna stick it in here.
This is how it was originally and this is what became.
That can be my own balloon. That can be like a decoration. I do it.
I guess these can be used as little tails and
That's tails.
decorations.
Yeah.
And I
You're
don't know
gonna
what
do
this
the
is-
Oonies.
What is this being used
Oonies.
for? We have to figure this one out.
That's for one of the Oonie butts.
So, Daisy, look. The flat part, Daisy, are you looking? The flat part goes here, you see? You see?
Oh.
And then you close it.
Close.
And then you have to push that down, I guess. Was it supposed to be pushed down before or after?
There we go.
Okay, you see how it grows?
Yeah. Grows like a balloon, probably.
Grows like a balloon. And then you're supposed to get this little kitschy-mickey. Excellent. Okay, are they supposed to be the same size? They're approximately the same size. It's still sticky though. Ooh.
Okay, now we're gonna. Yeah.
Look at
That's
that.
for the decorations. Like we're
Here,
gonna.
even got stuck to this.
We're
It's a
also
good-
we're gonna
it's a
use that for
good test
decorations, Mama.
And these are the characters that you can do.
Yeah. Open
These are the
already.
little figurines.
Open.
Perfect.
That's funny.
Now they already got stuck together without anything. What color should we do next? Maybe a different color?
I mean.
Look at your choices.
Maybe orange.
Orange?
Yeah,
Okay, these ones
orange.
you can't inflate. Is this orange? This is not orange. This is something in between.
This is orange.
Coralish color. Yellow you haven't done yet, and blue you haven't done yet.
Let's stick that there.
Let's see what this color looks like. Can you do it this time by yourself?
Yellow, yeah, sure.
What this,
But
I
open
guess
this
the
up.
stand is just easy to take it in and out of. I don't know what these small compartments are for. Maybe it's to prepare your little Oonies beforehand.
Yeah!
Okay, Daisy. I think we're supposed to press this down beforehand. Click, and then you put it in.
Wait, how do you put it? Oh, yeah.
Make sure you twist it the other way.
Yeah.
The other way. That's it. Did you twist it the other way? Perfect. If it doesn't go, it means you did a good job. Perfect.
There we go.
Good. Oh, look at you. You're becoming a professional.
We're gonna take that away. Wait.
So the unlocking is a little bit hard, right? And she's pushing on this one. This is a little bit hard. Show the yellow one.
Looks like white, as you can
Okay.
see.
Perfect. Now let's make a blue one. And these are supposed to be meant for little eyes. Should I make something in the meantime while you're making more balloons?
Yeah.
What shall we make? We shall make maybe a little fish,
But,
bird, I don't know.
yeah.
Maybe we'll create
But,
our own
I clicked already.
unique thing.
That's
I'll make something
magic.
out of the yellow
That's
one.
magical.
You see? Just take it
I'm
like
just,
that.
I'm paying attention to the most important. Wait. Well,
Just have to rip it off.
there we go.
there's a small
Bum.
Eye here. And I will just place it where
Look at
I
me.
feel like the eye should go. That's one eye.
Oh, it popped. Wait.
Oh, did it? Did it?
Yeah.
Oh no, technical difficulties.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Technical difficulties. Where's my little creature? What happened to my little boy?
It fell off.
Hey, where are ya? Where is it? Hello?
It's under the chair. I'll be right back.
Where is it? It's a yellow one, and I put two eyes. What? It's impossible. What? Is this the one?
Yes.
Is this my little creature? This is the little eyes? And another eye? Are you serious?
Yes.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're right, this is my little creature. What happened to it? What did I do to it? Oh, that's not good. Maybe we shouldn't make them so big. I don't know.
Yep.
It's gonna have a mohawk. Oh yeah. Where's his lips? He doesn't have any lips.
There's no lips.
No? So he's like looks like a sad little lipless, noseless
It's a
creature.
balloon.
They can stick on it their own as well. They can stick that, or they can stick
There we go.
by putting this on as a divider. But then what do you do with these guys here? You put it like that. Oh, now it sticks nice. It sticks better than if you stick it here. This part is better. There's no bumps, no nothing.
Look, I have another one.
Beautiful, beautiful. Can I have a blue one, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
This is fun. Ugh.
Do you like the project?
Yes.
You like make Oonies?
Yeah, Oonie.
You like making them? Oh, look at that.
I've
You
been
put
waiting
4 of
this
them
for my
together.
life.
Now this part is a little bit fatter, but that's okay. I'm gonna make one long
Why is it fun?
caterpillar.
Caterpillar is
Colorful,
going to go to a butterfly.
Colorful caterpillar. Now
It's
I
also
will
going to
put-
go to a
Oh, this is
butterfly.
so
Like,
tiny. Woo! Oh no! The other one's got stuck to it now. I don't want you. I don't want you. And I don't want you. Okay.
That's a
Oh no, now it's falling apart. That's not good. This caterpillar doesn't like to be in the air. Okay, there we go.
It's not a caterpillar.
It is a caterpillar. I am building a caterpillar, Missy. Okay,
Messy.
okay, now we'll attach another
Oh no,
purple
it
color.
broke. It broke.
Did it? I want to put a face onto this caterpillar. So, look! She looks like a little piggy now. It's like a piggy caterpillar. Oink, oink. A piggy caterpillar. Pillar catter.
It kind of looks like a cat though.
Caterpillar.
It looked. it actually is a pig.
Cute, right? Hello.
That exactly
Come
looks
to
like
visit. He's come to
the
visit.
nose
He keeps on falling apart. Never mind. Okay, so I'm going to cut this part, even though it's not meant for anything in particular. I'm going to use it as.
Look, wait,
This is
look, Ema,
smiley.
look. You can always make it like a big caterpillar.
Ta-da!
That's a fish. Why did I broke?
Okay, so put the eye there.
Right in there.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be creepy, mommy. Take me. Take me.
Okay, the bottom. Good. That's one
It
leg.
kind of looks like a. It kind of looks like a dentist.
Dentist.
Like,
Here. You mean like a tooth? Or would you like to put this one on top of the head? Like a unicorn?
I want to be like a unicorn.
Like a unicorn one? Okay,
Yeah.
there we go.
That doesn't look like a unicorn.
A little bit.
It looks like a hat. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Like really, like.
Oh, where are you putting that? Oh, that's a nose? What have you done? It looks cute.
It's a mouse.
Looks cute. Oh,
You know
that looks like an elephant creature. Okay.
Is it?
So put this-
That's because it's an elephant.
Put
It
this
is
on-
an
That's
elephant.
so cute. I like yours.
Elephant.
Aw.
It's an elephant.
Wish I thought of that.
It's my elephant.
Okay, so you finished, or you want to put something on top of the head?
It's
Just to
my
make it-
elephant.
It's your elephant.
Yeah, I'm gonna put like this. Like
Aw, that's so cute. I love yours.
You want to keep it?
Okay, look.
You
Show
want
up.
to? You want to keep it?
Show up. Aww.
You want to keep it? You want to keep it? You want to keep this one?
Ah, yeah, sure.
Oh God, I'm making it so
Yes, you're making another one like this? Like this one?
You know what? We can let it keep it like that. My machine.
A little close up. And then here's the baby.
Mm.
And then
And then we have
the
a
famous
Oonies.
caterpillar that falls apart every time I pick it up.
This is annoying.
Hey! Don't touch it. It's mine. See how nice and bouncy it is? Look. Ta-da. So how did you like this one? How did
It
you...
was super duper fun.
You liked it? Do you think it's a good birthday present?
Yeah.
Would you give something like this to your friends?
No,
No?
I want to keep it in mine.
Oh, you want to keep it for yourself. Right. Well, I enjoyed it. I thought that it will be more challenging for you than it was. Well, we just had a little bit of a struggle with putting this together.
See you in
Following
the
my
next video.
instructions. But all the nice things that we're able to create that you can see here.
And my little elephant.
Which one is your favorite?
My favorite is
The one that
favorite
you created.
is this one and
Yeah.
this one.
So lift up.
I made both of these cute.
All these cutie patooties.
This is what I made.
I love that.
And I gave it to my mom because she really likes it.
Yeah.
So
We're going to have to put it on the shelf as a decoration.
No,
Love
this
it.
can be like, that's what I said.
Yeah.
That's what I said earlier.
And then we have the little baby here. He's smiling. Hello.
See you in the next video.
Thank you for visiting. Thank you for watching us again.